Hey folks, how you doing? It's Bayou Golf over here at Santa Maria. Man, it's cold, 40 degrees, wind blowing about 10 miles an hour in my face. Couldn't stand it no more, had to get out of the house. Been in the house for 5 days. I mean, the sun's out, so that's a plus. Anyway, it's only 118 yards, but it's a 2 club. I mean, I'm taking 3. I'm taking a 7-iron. You got white caps right here on this pond. Okay, good ball. Any other day, folks, 118 yards. That would have been over the back of this little three par 3. Woo! Let's see, where we at? There we go. Yeah, I tell you what, it's been, I know it's the South talking about weather, but we've had some 20-degree weather. Yes, we have. It's been nasty. Yep, it's a little long, but I tell you what, with that wind, with a 7-iron, 118, that thing should have been gone. No shame in the game when you got to take more club, folks. Yeah, we've had some 20-degree weather, which is unfriendly for us guys down here in the South. Wind blowing, whew. I mean, now the wind's we've had up to 20-mile-an-hour winds here for the last couple of days. And I'm sure it's the same stuff you guys have been seeing and worse. Yeah, I know, Gator USA. I know, buddy. He's been sending me pictures of his backyard in snow. All right, like I said, it's a little long, but I'm on, and I'm not over. That's good. Okay, you gotta be careful with these Santa Maria greens, folks. They will eat you alive. But I would take that par on this hole any day. Okay, still working on the tempo. 1 and 7, 12 and 6. That's what we need to work on. Well, at least I do, in the wind. Okay, Bayou Golf, you know I'll get you another one.